course, you also have to work ethically, understanding what you are doing, understanding where you are going. That is very important because at the end, we are working with people and we are under people as well. And we have leaders on top of us. We have to ask if it's okay to use these tools, if we can use it in this and that. And in case anything happens and they don't really, because we have to understand people that they are not really against AI. They don't just know what it is. So when you're ignorant of something, you can't really say, okay, right? So if you really understand a little bit of what it is, because you don't have to be an AI passionate or whatever, just understand a little bit so that you can be able to defend it in case they ask you, hey, you can use this. But if you defend it a little bit and say, hey, but I can use it for this or do this, or even teach or mentor others, they will understand now why you're using it, for productivity, for development, for career, for everything. So it's okay if you understand. So please, when you're using this type of things, use it in a way that, it makes sense to the people that are